In the name of God, mulch is a type of protective covering placed on or spread over the soil surface. Mulches can be organic or inorganic and or available in many forms. The use of tree leaves as mulch is very important to maximize the use of bio-waste and reduce the environmental impacts of waste, and it is seen as both economically and environmentally sensible. Therefore, Leaf-Mulch was produced for the first time in the world at Razi University by design devices and using the technical knowledge of researchers. The aim of Leaf-Mulch production, in addition to the optimal use of bio-waste, was to maintain soil water, strengthen soil control width, and balance in soil temperature. To produce mulch, several devices were needed, which were designed and manufactured by the researchers or paper authors at Razi University. This equipment includes crushing machine, heating machine, pulp pool, and molds. After installing mulch under the plant, irrigation with different water requirements are covered in the form of different treatments. The leaf mulch application. Add mulch and cover for planting seedling and agricultural products. Encourages and raw farms, trees and vineyards. In forestry, in landscape and green space of cities, in cover the soil of pots as fertilizer and soil conditioner. As leaf mulch production is the first in the world, there is no research in this regard. However, there are researchers that compare organic mulches, wooden leaf chip, with non-organic mulches and their effect on soil properties, concluding that organic mulches increase soil organic matter and mineral. Therefore, according to numerous research on organic and inorganic mulches, it is concluded that the use of organic mulches in addition to controlling width, reducing water consumption, and reducing soil surface temperature, also strengthens soil and removal of environmental pollutants.